Good evening. Ito yung mga updated stocks natin ngayon. Floral, Camouflage, Militia version 1, Camo, Militia version 2, Militia version 2, Flora Leaf, Neon Pink, and Neon Blue. Pack version 2, Brown and Army Green. Yan. Militia version 2, Leaf Green. Militia Hip-Pack version 2, Rasta Black. Camouflage Hip-Pack 2, Militia version 2, Rasta Leaf. This one is Rocky Panipax. This one, okay, Black. OG Militia version 1, Black and Floral. Militia version 2, Rasta. Bandana, Rocky Panipax. Pack version 2, Black and Camo. Pack version 1, Camo. Pack version 1, all black. Pack version 1, Black and Army Green. Pack version 2, all black. Pack version 1, Leaf, Black and SWAT. Militia version 2. Pack Floral version 1, Black and Rasta. Pack version 2, Militia version 2.